Today's topic is how to solve the caps lock problem in AutoCAD text. For example, click on text. Draw a text box. Start typing. Here you can see that all the text is appearing in uppercase. Let's turn caps lock on and start typing. Here you can see that all the text is still appearing in uppercase. Let's press Shift and type again. Here you can see that all the text is appearing in lowercase. Let's click outside. To solve this issue, type TEXTALLCAPS. Press Enter. After pressing Enter, you will get the option to turn it on or off, or enter 1 or 0. Let's type off or 0. Press Enter. Let's again click on text. Draw a text box. Let's turn caps lock off and start typing. Again, turn caps lock on and continue typing. So, this is how you can solve the caps lock problem in AutoCAD text. Like, subscribe, share, and press the bell icon for more interesting topics.